Core system libraries failing because of the wndtls32 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. Before we start the wndtls32 manual guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the wndtls32, a specialized localized window tools 32-bit library. It manages the localized UI window framing and localized Z order management for legacy 32-bit applications. It facilitates the localized rendering of custom window borders in specialized software suites. Now that you're up to speed on the files role, let's begin the repair process. wndtls32 acts as a vital connection for localized windowing tool logic operations, and downloading a fresh installer for the program, showing the error, is the only way to repair the damaged binaries found in the app folder. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the wndtls32 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like wndtls32.dll. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If configuration alerts are present, the official maintenance tool below outlines general guidance for wndtls32. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing wndtls32 from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.